we have to draw rectangle ABCD where AB is equal to 6 centimeters. So first of all we will draw a rough figure. Okay, so suppose that rectangle ABCD we have to draw. So AB is equal to 6 centimeter and BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So AB is equal to 6 centimeter. So we just draw a rough figure. Okay, so here suppose that it is AB. So AB is 6 centimeter and BC is equal to 4.5. This is rough figure. This is rough figure. So here is AB 6 centimeter, then BC 4.5. So 4.5. This is rectangle, na? So rectangle means all the angles should be 90 degree. So here you draw just a 90 degree. Okay, here you draw 90 degree, and BC should be what? 4.5 centimeter. So it should be what? 4.5 centimeter. Clear? And here also जानते हैं, as you know, in rectangle opposite sides being equal, so this also should be what? 6 centimeter. Okay, and this line, this and this being, this is C point, this and this being equal, this side. BC is what? 4.5 centimeter. So this should also be 4.5 centimeter, and here also being 90 degree, because this is rectangle. All angles should be 90 degree. यहाँ से आप 90 डिग्री ड्रॉ कर दीजिए. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This also 6. Here is 4.5. Here 4.5. Okay. So first of all, what you will do? You will draw a 6 centimeter line. Then you will make 90 degree, and then you will draw this line, and you will cut 4.5 centimeter arc. Okay, 4.5 centimeter arc. Okay. Same as here also, you draw 90 degree this line, and here also you cut 4.5 centimeter arc. Okay, so here cutted, in here cutted, and you made these lines. Okay, so it will be what? Your rectangle. So I am here drawing. So first of all we are drawing AB is equal to 6 centimeter. AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Clear? So AB is 6 centimeter. Okay, AB 6 centimeter. Now BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. अब देखिए BC क्या? 90 डिग्री पहले आप ड्रॉ करोगे, because all the angles are 90 degree of rectangle. So we will draw here 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. You just draw this line. Okay, 90 degree, and this is what? Now you have to cut 4.5 centimeter from this. 4.5. Okay, so here you cut 4.5 centimeter. So 4.5. Now here also should be 90 degree. Here also should be 90 degree. Here they cutted this name is what? C. Okay, here also you have to draw 90 डिग्री। 90 डिग्री आप ड्रॉ कीजिए। दिस इज व्हाट, ओके, सो यू ड्रॉ। This also 90 degree. Clear? Now this is 4.5 centimeter. This also, here also you cut 4.5 centimeter. Why? Because here also you cut 4.5 centimeter, because here also you cut 4.5 centimeter, because this opposite side should be equal. Okay, where the cutted, this point is what known as D. Okay, now you just meet those both cutted point. Okay, clear? So this is what, this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, this is 6 centimeter, this is also 4.5 centimeter. Clear? So you got, this is the, you got, this is rectangle. Clear? Rectangle ABCD. Clear? Now you come to, we have to do second sum. What we have to do here? Second sum. Second sum, what? You have to draw a square WXYZ. Square WXYZ. Okay, this is the square. Side is what? 5.2 centimeter. This is the side. Okay, so you have to draw this WXYZ. So for that, what we will do? We will draw side, rough figure. I am here 5.2 centimeter. So rough figure here, not necessary actually rough figure, because you can make directly in one time. Okay, if you want, so you can make rough figure also. Here just you draw one line WX na. So you draw this, okay, name as WX of the same side. Okay, so you draw, and now same size of you of the same side, and 90 degree you draw a line 90 degree. Okay, and that should be also of the same side. Here also you make 90 degree, here also you make same 90 degree, and with the equal length, cut equal length and meet these both. So this will be what? Square, and give its name what? WAX YZ. Clear? WX YZ, give its name. This is what? Rough figure. All the sides should be equal, and all angles be also equal. Okay, all angles be also equal. Clear? So this was the rough figure. Now we have to do what? Square. Okay, so first of all, what we will do? 5.2 centimeter. Here it is a square, so all the sides will be equal. So I am drawing here actual figure, that is of 5.2 centimeter. Clear? 5.2 centimeter. So W x. This is how much? 5.2. Clear? Now what? You here draw 90 degree. Why 90 degree? Because all the angles are equal to 90 degree. Okay. So draw here what? 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Clear? So draw here all the angles are 90 degree. Okay. And now here also you draw angle 90 degree. Here also you draw angle 90 degree. Okay. And as here 90 degree, here also 90 degree. Now you take arc of 5.2 centimeter. How much? 5.2 centimeter. Okay. Take arc of 5.2 centimeter from W. Even from X also. Clear? And you now meet these two points also. Meet these 2 points also. Clear? So here is also 90 degree you will get. Here also you get 90 degree. This also 5.2. This also 5.2. This also 5.2. And Wx you will get what? This is what? Y. This is what? Z. Clear? So you got what is there? Wx, y, z. This is the square. Clearly. Okay. Square W x y z side Wx is equal to xy is equal to yz is equal to zw is equal to 5.2 centimeter. Clear? So this your clear. Okay. Now we will do third question. Clear? So what is the third question? Draw a rhombus K element. Draw a rhombus K element such that its side is 4 centimeter and angle K is equal to 75 degree. So you have to draw a rhombus K element. Okay. Here also, as you did in the case of square, same as you have to do in the rhombus also. Only the problem, only the what you have to make a difference, because in square there is all sides are equal. In rhombus also all sides equal, but in rhombus there not need to angles being 90 degree. Okay, here angles are different than 90 degree, because अगर ये 90 degree हो गया सब, तब तो वो square हो गया. Clear? Okay. So now you see. So first of we have to make rhombus. KLMN. Okay. Side is equal to 4 centimeter angle K is equal to 75 degree. So here KL is equal to what? Or 4 centimeter is given. KL one side is given 4 centimeter. It means all the sides are being 4 centimeter. So first of all, we will what will do? We will draw KL is equal to 4 centimeter. One side we will draw 4 centimeter. तो पहले आपका क्या I am making a rough figure. Here first of all you do a 4 centimeter draw करो. ओके तो रफ फिगर आप ड्रॉ कर दो जो भी है. दिस विल बी व्हाट KL. नाउ व्हाट दिस एंगल K is equal to 75 degree. Then you draw here 75 degree. 75 degree. Okay. This will be 75 degree. You cut from here also 4 centimeter. Because here was 4 centimeter. All sides should be equal. So it should be 4 centimeter. अब यहाँ से आप since all sides of rhombus are equal, all sides of rhombus should be equal, so here you cut here also 4 centimeter, and from this point is what I am giving the name KL. Suppose that it is what M. Clear? So this point will be M. Okay, now you have to get here point. You don't know where is the point actually. तो आप क्या करो M से इतना तो आप जानते हो ना कि this all sides should be equal. So which will be this side, that should be 4 centimeter, and which will be this side, that also be 4 centimeter. So from M point KL, from M there will be also you take arc of 4 centimeter, and from L also 4 centimeter. Both cutted where, जहाँ पे कट किए वहाँ से आप मिला दीजिए. क्लियर? So this was your 4 centimeter. This also be 4 centimeter. Okay, क्योंकि आपने 4 का आर्क लिया है. Okay, so this is your what? This is your rhombus. Clear? So this actual rough figure I told you. I given you an idea how do you have to start. Okay. Okay. So ये आप you understood. Now after this we are going to make actual figure construct. Okay, so पहले हम क्या करते हैं KL 4 centimeter with drawing. So just see here KL 4 centimeter. KL 4 centimeter. Okay, now here also 4 centimeter. Now all sides are being equal. What I told you, angle K is equal to 75 degree. So you here construct angle K 75 degree. Okay, so you draw 75 degree. This is what 75 degree. Now you cut here what 4 centimeter. Why? Take as arc of 4 centimeter. Why? Because all the sides should be what 4 centimeter. This is rhombus. तो आप देखिए 4 centimeter का आप कट कर लीजिए. So we are taking here 4 centimeter. Clear? तो आपका देखिए ये 4 सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा. हाउ इट विल बी देयर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द पॉइंट दैट इज KL. यू गिव इट इज ए नेम M. ओके, नाउ यू डोंट नो वेयर इज द एंड पॉइंट, बट यू नो ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. सो जो ये साइड होगा दैट विल बी 4 सेंटीमीटर, एंड ये साइड जो होगी दैट विल आल्सो बी 4 सेंटीमीटर. वॉट एवर बी एंगल्स वी डोंट प्रॉब्लम. Okay, because it is rhombus, so angles whatever be that will be adjusted itself. Okay, you have not to worry about that. Okay, so what we do, you take 4 centimeter arc. Okay, once again you just check it, is it 4 centimeter or not. वैसे तो मैंने पहले 4 centimeter लिया था, so it is what 4 centimeter. Okay, now from point M take an arc of 4 centimeter, and from the L point also you take arc of 4 centimeter. Where there they cut, that point will be what, N. Okay, so you match these two. Okay, this also. Okay, this is what rhombus. This is what a rhombus. This is 75 degree, this is 4 centimeter, this also have to 4 centimeter because you have taken arc of 4 centimeter. And rhombus की यही necessary होती है, that should be what, all sides should be equal. So rhombus KLMN sides 4 centimeter and angle K is equal to 75 degree. Clear? Okay, so this you are being very very clear. Third question being completed. Okay, now come to start fourth sum. Okay, so for the fourth sum there construction is not there. Now solving questions starting. Okay, तो देखिए आप कैसे हो जाएगा. वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज कंस्ट्रक्शन चैप्टर इज ऑलरेडी